Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, living and non-living things. So let's start. Students, we are seeing a wide variety of things around us, and these are classified into two parts. Some are living things while other are non-living things. Now today we are going to learn more about these things, their characteristics and their examples. So living things, some examples of living things are flower, zebra, fish, man. These are living things. And these living things, what are the characteristics of these living things? The characteristics of these living things are 7 characteristics are there, and these characteristics are that they can move, they can grow, they can reproduce, they can respire, they can excrete waste, they can respond to stimuli and take on nutrients. Now let's start with one by one. That living things respire, that means they they collect oxygen, or they take oxygen from their food and it convert it into energy. Number 2, living things can move, that is, animals have different ways of moving. They can move from one place to another place. They can grow. Number 3, they can grow. Animal grows from babies to adult, and there are different phase in the growing. Number 4, living things can reproduce. That means they can reproduce by giving birth and laying egg. They can reproduce their next generation by giving birth or laying egg, and they can excrete the waste. Plants and animals both excrete the excess waste. Okay. And number 6, they can respond to stimuli. That means when they get hurt, they respond. Okay. And number 7, they take on nutrients. That means they take the food, and these foods are utilized by its body. Okay. So these are the characteristics of the living things. These are the 7 characteristics of the living things. And now let's do non-living things. Those non-living things which cannot grow, cannot move, toys, car, these are non-living things. And what are their characteristics? Their characteristics are they cannot grow. That means they are and number 2, they cannot move. That means they cannot move from one place to another place. They do not breathe. They do not eat. There is no need to eat food. And last one, that is they do not reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Okay. So these are the characteristics of living things and non-living things. Okay.